what's going on? Trying to see if anybody will hop on really quick before I do this one. Okay, so I'm going to just go ahead and hop on, and you guys can catch the replay or whatever else. And hey to whoever just hop on. So, I really wanted to do this because as one of my businesses, I actually promote a company that kind of focuses on, people building up their credit, earning more money and things like that. And that's not the real point behind this live stream. The point behind this live stream is, and I've noticed this every time I promote any type of team building business, that people get caught up in the training mode, right? They feel like they need to have all the training in the world, that they have to go through all the training, study the training from back and forth in order for them to get started with the business. And I have, and I wonder if this is kind of like the programming that we got when we went to, went to school, that, the smartest kid in the school, the one who got like all the love and the support and everything else, who got the awards, the accolades. They had got the book, they got the study book, they went through it back and forth, they memorized it, and when you got the test in your first 9 weeks, your second 9 weeks, your SATs or whatever else, if you scored high and you got an A on it, that means that you were smarter and that you was going to have a better life because of this. And that shit does not apply today, right? And the reason why I say that is just because with a lot of these companies, like I said, even with the company I'm building right now, these team building companies, people get caught up in the training trap. You do not have to learn every single thing before you start getting results with a business. You need to become results oriented. And I'm speaking from experience and I'm speaking from love, right? Because it wasn't until when I had my first $10,000 a month in the online space back in 2014, it was because I was getting ready to promote a particular business. And the person who was training me at the time, who was my sponsor, at that time, he had already did over $300,000 in sales. So if he's already done that and I have not achieved that inside of my business, of course I'm going to listen to him because he has the results that I want. I'm not going to argue with him. And the first thing he told me is like, screw the training, focus on getting your first 2 signups. Once you do that, pimp those results until you get your next one. And that's what I did. I can't even tell you I knew what the company was, but I can't even tell you what the training looked like because I never looked at it. I hit $10,000 in my first 30 days and I never looked at the training, because I was only focused on getting results. So that's what I'm trying to tell you guys. Get out of this training trap that you feel that you need to know every single thing about the company, just every in and out about it before you sign up. Because let me tell you how this is going to work, right? So let's say you go ahead and post on your social media that, hey guys, I just joined this company or whatever else. And let me tell you how the conversation is going to go. You're going to make that post. You're going to tell people like, hey, if you want to know more information about it, hit me up. So then people are going to ask you, how much money you made with it? That's the first question they're going to ask you. And if your response is, oh, I haven't made any money yet, but I've been studying everything about the training and the program, the business for the last 4 weeks, they're going to roll their eyes and they're going to tell you, like, you know what? Hit me up when you start making some money. That's how that conversation is going to go. So who are they going to sign up with, or whose inbox are they going to blow up? They're going to blow up that person's inbox, or the person who said, you know what, I just joined this company 3 days ago. I got my first 3 signups and I'm getting a check on next Thursday. Who wants to know more information? Who do you think they're going to blow up? They're going to blow up the person who got results. And I always get hit up by people whenever I do these team building type of businesses. Well, you know what, I need to make money quickly. I need to make my money back. I need to do this. Fine. Then you need to become results oriented and get out of this mindset that you have to go through all the training. Because that's you're going to lose momentum by doing that. You can learn while you earn, right? Focus on getting those first 2 results so that way you have something to show to people, because that's how social media works. Nobody cares that you studied the training backwards and forwards. They want to know, did you make money with it? So show them that you made money with it. Keep it simple, and I promise you, your business will snowball. You have to show some social proof, right? And then when you start getting those results, guess what's going to happen? You're going to get more excited because you're getting results, you're getting money, you're getting checks. So now you're really going to want to know everything about that company because you want to, you want to dominate it, right? But in the beginning, you're not going to really be excited about going through no training, about learning something new. It's like almost going back to school again, trying to learn something that you're not really interested in because you really came in trying to look for some money. So get the results first. Get the results first. Get that first few sales. Tell people about your business. Show people that you are going to get paid, that you're about to get a check. And guess what? It's going to snowball to your next result. And when you get that next result, you keep pimping out that result till you get your next result. And you keep pimping out that result till you get your next result. That's how this works. Get out of the training mode. Training is bullshit. The training will always be there. It's not going anywhere. But your momentum, it will decrease if you do not try to focus on getting results. Yeah, like I said, it comes from love and it comes from experience because I've done this myself. Where I feel like I had to go through all the training, that all the training is going to make me a better person, and because I knew everything about the business, that everybody wanted to join me. No. All I knew was just everything about the business, so when somebody joined my team, all I can tell them is, oh, the company offers this, but yeah, how can I make money? I ain't have no answer to give them because I ain't never made no money with it. It wasn't until I started focusing on getting results first, right out of the gate, getting those results, getting some money, and that way I was able to show that same exact thing to whoever joined me, and guess what happened? Their first 2-3 days, they're getting results. And now when they post that on their social media, guess what? People are trying to join them and join their business. Why? Because people are showing them the money. They're showing results. Be results oriented first and get out of the trap of having to be this training trap because you don't need it right now. You don't need it right now. You need results. If you're trying to get paid and all this type of stuff when you go to your sponsor or whatever business you're promoting, whether it's team building, whether it's through coaching, e-commerce or whatever else, if you're going to a person to get results, then listen to what the hell they're saying and let them help you get results. Do not fight them. They're telling you what you want. They're telling you what you want. You bought their services. You bought their time. You did it for a reason. So let them help you and get out of your own way. Because if you knew everything already, you already have those results and you wouldn't be spending thousands of dollars trying to go through somebody's coaching or something like that. Because you'll have everything that you always desire in your hands. But the fact that you don't have it is because why? It's because of you. It's not because of the government. It's not because of the president. It's not because of your mom, your sister, or anything like that. The reason why you don't have the things that you want in life is because of you. So learn how to get out of your own way. Focus on results. And you will win every single time, guys. So okay, we'll explain the results. When I'm talking about results, I mean get results with the company. So like I said, with the whatever, like I said, if you're in the team building type of business, where it's like MCA, My Econ, or whatever else, get some signups. Hit that first rank first. Show them something. Show proof. That's what I'm talking about when we talk about results. If you're doing Shopify and you want to coach people, show people that you got results. Nobody want to know that you just went through somebody's training and you haven't even made $1 with it. Nobody wants to get training from you. Nobody wants to learn from you. They want to learn from people who got results. So focus on getting results first. Focus on that. So like I said, if it's any type of team building business, get a sign up. Hey guys, I just joined last week and you know what? Somebody already joined my team or whatever else and I'm getting my commission next week. People want to see that. That's how social media works, guys. So hopefully that kind of make a little bit more sense. Get out of the training trap. You can learn while you earn, but focus on getting results first, guys, okay? So I'm going to holler at you on the next one because I have to get back to work. So peace.